In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to convert an ordinal categorical variable to a numeric variable. The variable I will focus on here is urban influence. We have 4 categories here, going from the most urban a county can be to the least urban in our data set. I created a pivot table describing these categories, and you can see here, these are the categories. I'm going to copy and paste these categories back into my original sheet. Copy. I'll paste it right here. Paste. Then I will assign each one of these a number. Let's call this one a 4, 3, 2, 1. So as we are more urban, we have a larger number here. Our least urban is our smallest value. I'm going to create a new variable. I'm going to click on the column right next to urban influence, select insert to make room for a new variable. I will call this urban influence num for numeric. I am going to use the Excel lookup function. So I'm going to type equals lookup. I'm going to look up this text right here, and I'm going to look it up in this table. I'm going to make sure I put $signs on that table, so when we copy and paste the formula, those items don't move. I do not want $signs there. Close that. I'll copy and paste this value all the way down. Now, if I want, I can calculate a median of this variable, urban influence num, equals median. Median is equal to a 4, and 4, we can see, coincides with large metropolitan area of 1 million or more residents.